What's up, TikTok? So today I'm gonna unbox the 4K Brio webcam from Logitech. I'm gonna use my Karambit Fox knives from Italy. Let me cut these stickers open. Swoosh. Give me a moment while I try to unbox this. It's kind of a hard box to open up. There you go. So this one shoots 4K 30 frames, 1080 at 60 frames, and 720 HD at 90 frames. The whole reason I got it, to have meetings and consultations from home. So inside, we're supposed to get the USB wire, which is a USB 3.0, USB-C, and get this little nice pouch from Logitech, which you'll see in a minute. And also you get a webcam cover. There goes the USB, and the other side is USB-C. There goes that nice pouch with the nice Logitech logo in the front. There you go. I wish you could hear that. That was a nice ASMR right there. You see that? So the glass on the lens is glass. It's not plastic. So that's, I think, is half of the price you're paying for, which is about $200 US. And that glass quality is really nice, looking really sharp, especially when you're shooting at 1080 at 60 frames. So that's what it comes with.